Namaste. Khushwabiti. I, Jayvin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic. Today, I will discuss about the topic demonstration of total blood count by cell analyzer. This topic belongs to the human anatomy and physiology, practical for the B Pharm second semester. Now we come to the complete blood count. A complete blood count is CBC is an important and readily available investigation that focuses on red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets and their various parameters. It can help to serve as a screening test for many disorders and as a prognostic or follow-up tools. Components: WBC, RBC, hemoglobin, hematocrit, MCV, MCH, and MCHC. RDW and platelets, neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, basophils, immature granulocytes, and reticulocyte count. RBC, normal values, males 4.7 to 6.1 million cell per microliter. Females 4.2 to 5.4 million cells per microliter. Low RBC count, known as anemia. Acute or chronic bleeding, RBC destruction, example, hemolytic anemia. Nutritional deficiency, example, iron deficiency, vitamin B12, or folate deficiency. Bone marrow disorder or damage, chronic inflammatory disease, kidney failure, high RBC count, known as polycythemia and dehydration, pulmonary disease, kidney or other tumor that produces excess erythropoietin. Smoking and genetic causes altered oxygen sensing abnormality in hemoglobin oxygen release. Polycythemia, hemoglobin is the protein molecule that carries oxygen in the red blood cells. 13.0 to 18.0 gram per dl in males, 11.5 to 16.5 gram per dl in females. We can have hemoglobin in RBC, we can have NHP in DRBC, and we can have DHP and DRBC. Thus, the other indices MCH and MCHC come into play. Hematocrit or PCV, males normal 45%, females normal 40%. High HCT, increased risk in dengue, Sogby syndrome, and polycythemia vera, COPD, and EPO or erythropoietin use. Dehydration, capillary leak syndrome, sleep apnea, anabolic steroid use, and low HCT due to anemia, and anemia can be characterized by using the indices. Mean corpuscular volume, normal 77 to 95 liter. Low MCV indicates RBCs are smaller than normal microcytic, caused by iron deficiency, anemia, or thalassemia and congenital anemia, lead poisoning, and pyridoxine deficiency and anemia of chronic disease. Megaloblastic microlytic anemia, microcytes in bone marrow smear, and medication effects of folate metabolism. Non-megaloblastic macrolytic anemia, alcohol abuse, emphysema, hypothyroidism, accelerated erythropoiesis, and hemolytic anemia. Red cell distribution width, low value indicates uniformity in size of RBCs, high value indicates mixed population of a small and large RBCs, immature RBCs tend to the large. So this is the sum of session and normal introduction of the complete blood count for the interpretation. So this is the complete session. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class.